everyone, it's Netta from Our Crazy Life. Tonight we're gonna do a fried rice with pork because we have leftover rice from the other night, and so we're trying to make a yummy leftover dish. So this is what we're gonna do. I've already got some oil in the pan. You want it to coat the bottom and maybe have a little bit of thickness. I've already got it warmed up, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my meat in, but it is really, really hot, so I'm gonna be careful. Woo! Alright, so I've got the meat cooked all the way through, and it's just turning brown on the outside, so I think that's a good temperature for it to be at, excuse me. Alright everyone, we've removed our pork, and we're gonna get ready for our egg. And I'm just gonna put the shell in the discard meat bowl. Sorry about that second egg crack, it looks pretty messy. So we're just gonna scramble up and deep fry these yummy eggs in that oil. Cook up, get rid of this. Alright, so we took the egg out so that it doesn't get overcooked. And I wiped the pan and put some more oil in it. So now we're going to do our onions, broccoli, and carrots. Give this a quick mix. And I let my oil get a little too hot, so I'm just holding it off the heat just a little bit for a minute. And then we're going to mix this all up and then just let it sit for just a minute. Or however long it needs. Alright, so we've got these cooking down, so they're nice and tender and delicious. So since they're cooking, I'm just going to add a few spices. Onion powder, garlic powder, pepper, and some kosher salt. We're going to mix that all up and let it come together. And I don't know if you can see, but the broccoli's changing colors and the onions are starting to change colors. Alright, we're going to get ready to put in our rice. Let that sit for just a minute. Oh, actually, I'm going to go ahead and put in my garlic. Can't forget the garlic. Smells good with that garlic. Alright, so this was the rice from a few days ago that we're trying to use from our leftovers. It does work best if it's about a day old, that way it doesn't get too mushy and it comes out a little better. I have my vegetables on the bottom, that way I can have time to crumple it up. Okay, so I've got all my rice in there now, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a mix and put it back on the heat. But I'm gonna lift it up that way it doesn't get too hot too fast, just because I don't wanna overcook my vegetables. I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my sauces in to taste. Yes, I know I'm dropping rice all over the floor. All right. So I'm going to put in red boat fish sauce. I'm just gonna put a dash. It's really up to you how much you wanna put. And then I've got some sesame seed oil. Same thing, as much as you want, but I wouldn't go crazy with that. Now this one, soy sauce, you can go a little crazier. You want the rice to get some color, but if you're not a huge soy sauce fan, again, don't go nuts. So I'm gonna mix that up and see how it looks. All right, so this is my meat, my pork, and my egg that are gonna go back in right now. And you're gonna give that a good stir. Mix it all together. All right, and now it is time for my green onions. Put those in there. And you put those in last so they don't get overcooked, generally. All right, now that this is all mixed together, I am going to taste my rice. Since it has a little bit of color, I'm just gonna see if it has enough. It needs more soy. All right, I think it's all done and I'm excited to eat it.
Hey everyone, sorry I wasn't really on camera today. I've been a little under the weather, but I'm gonna try this that Janetta made. Came out really good. The only thing I wanted to let everyone know is you may just have to adjust the seasonings you use to your flavors, because the amount of rice or vegetables you add in there can make that change. So you want to just add it in there so that it's the way that you like it. And just add slowly, because if you add too much, it's really hard to take anything out. So, but I wish you were here to try this. It's really yummy and Janetta did a good job. Thanks for being with us. Hey everyone, it's Chris.
And Netta.
If you liked the video, drop us a like.
And subscribe. Thanks for being a part of our everyday.